Teka muna. Ano yung may problema? Yung cellphone, hindi yung tao.
Yung cellphone.
Yung cellphone may problema. May problema. Okay, sige. Ulitin.
Nakalagay dito.
Oh. Give me your phone. Give me. Give me 1,000. Oh, sige. May problema.
Wala.
Oh, sige.
Wala sir.
Guys, yan. Ang may problema daw, cellphone. Ayan.
Malaki na yan, sir. Malaki na.
Ulitin daw, ulitin. Ulitin kasi may problema daw, cellphone. Ano nakalagay? 50 nakalagay, 50.
Nakalagay dito.
Oh, sir, it's your turn.
Okay.
Praise na lang.
Ibig mo sabihin, tag 1,000 yan. Tag 1,000. 1,000. Okay. Sige.
I give you heart.
Mukhang tama ng cellphone ah. Sounds kasi may mali daw ang cellphone. Ayan. Ulit. Ayan, ulit. Yeah. Kailangan ng salamin. Salamin. Yes guys, liquor ban. Ito liquor ban. Yes. Thank you guys, thank you. Maraming salamat guys. Lubat. Hey, thank you guys.